very few seasoned spices. Spices are up to you. You can skip those that you don't like. And this is the way that I especially cook, and my kids love it. We love it. Hello viewers, so welcome to Soft Canvas. Thank you for joining us today. Today I'm going to make a very delicious and well-renowned recipe, which is a salmon fish. Salmon is a very yummy and delicious fish and very healthy as well. Kids as well as I believe that everybody loves this fish. So let's get started. I'm going to make salmon fry today. That's why I'm going to cut it in small pieces and I'm going to season with spices. Alright, so to make salmon fry, I have taken here 1.5 pounds salmon and I'm going to season this with spices. First of all, like salt here, half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon black pepper, a pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of chili powder. Give it a good mix. Mention here that make sure that you season some spices to the other side as well. So now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I love garlic flavor and I'm gonna season it all over. And mix it well. So now I'm going to fry this. First of all, I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil, around half cup here. And then I'll add lemon juice and fresh garlic. And there is really nothing else that I'm going to use. It's pretty simple and very delicious, doesn't require much spices. And I'm waiting for this to be warm, and then I will cook the fish. Okay, so the oil is already warm. I'm going to add this fish, and then there's no right or wrong side, but I always try to put the skin side on at the bottom. Okay, I'll cook each side about 2 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to flip it over to the other side. This is perfectly cooked inside, and then the golden brown color, and also inside because I had some small cuts in between. So it's now time to take it out. Alright, so now I'm going to make the syrup. For that I have taken here fresh garlic and some lemon and orange zest that I'm going to add here just to fry. So it's been like around 30 seconds that I'm frying this garlic, fresh garlic, and now I'm going to add like 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So now I'm going to add this lemon juice and fresh garlic on top of the fish. Super yummy and very simple way of cooking salmon fry is ready to serve. I made it today with fresh lemon juice and fresh garlic, and also very few seasoned spices. Spices are up to you. You can skip those that you don't like. And this is the way that I especially cook, and my kids love it. We love it. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.